Hi guys, happy Friday. It's Kelly Shalal. I am a registered dietitian and the creator/owner behind What to Eat meal plans. I am jumping in to tell you guys about a few exciting changes that What to Eat meal plans have gone through in the last month, and it's been really great. Our subscribers have really loved it. So we moved away from the login based system and went to a PDF based system. So the meal plans are now delivered via PDF, and this allows for a lot more flexibility and ease, and also allowed us to significantly drop the price of the meal plans. So because we're using different software, or I'm using different software to create the meal plans, instead of them being $87 for 3 months, they're now $99 for a year, or $15 a month. And that includes all the special challenges, and now there's a members only section on the website. So I'm going to show you guys all of that right now. This was the first week that the current subscribers got their new plan, and already I just have amazing feedback. They all really love it, and everyone's really excited about it. So I figured I'd jump on here and show those of you that have been following What to Eat meal plans for a while the new changes. So I'm going to turn this around, and so don't mind my messy house, but you're going to get an email. When you sign up, you get an email, and the email comes with a theme of the month. So this month's theme is just talking about building consistency into your schedule before November and December hits. And so that's going to be the theme of this month. And then there's meal prep tips that come with every single recipe, and then you just click to download your plan, so you no longer have to log in anywhere to get your plan. Now you can log in to the website, which I will be revealing very soon, but I can show you where you do that. So at whattoeatmealplans.com, there's now going to be a members only section where you can access your meal plans, the challenges. If you're a yearly subscriber, there are resources, and there will be member discounts specifically for our members. So this is pretty cool. So everyone is really excited about it, excited about the new changes. Here's a preview of what the meal plan actually looks like when it comes. Again, the same thing that was in the email is reiterated so that you can print it if you want to. And then it shows you a full week, which we actually didn't have that capability before because of the scheduling system. And the meal plan includes leftovers. So I feel like it's easier to double portions if you have more people you need to feed than it is to, I guess, take away portions. So the meal plans typically serve 1 to 2 people for breakfast and lunch, usually 1, and then dinner serves around 4. So that way, you know, a lot of people are using these plans for themselves for breakfast and lunch, and for their family for dinner. So that makes that a little bit more accessible. But if you are using it, say, for your significant other, you just double the ingredients for that recipe, no big deal. It also comes with a full calorie breakdown. I'm so excited about this because this is one of the tenets of What to Eat meal plans, is that I guarantee that you have 100 grams of protein in that meal plan. You know, I think people do get a little excessive with protein, but a lot of people also don't eat enough. And so 100 grams is a nice, like, minimal amount for most healthy people. And it's going to allow steady blood sugar throughout the day, facilitate weight loss and weight maintenance, or muscle regain, all of those things. Carbs usually stay between 100 to 150 grams, again, to just facilitate steady blood sugar without going overboard. And then we make sure there's enough healthy fats, and then you can actually see, like, the nutrient breakdown. If that's important to you, you can see that as well, which is pretty cool. You get your shopping list. So this is this week's shopping list. Pretty short, straightforward, to the point, just ready to go. And then all the recipes are attached. Typically, for those of you that are, like, super into variety, typically there's about 10-ish recipes per plan. If that seems overwhelming to you, you do not have to cook all of them. So my intent with creating these meal plans, I am the blogger behind Hungry Hobby, and, you know, I see private clients all the time, and my intent with creating these meal plans was to create a healthy template for people, just to help them stay on track. So most of our subscribers do not use these meal plans like crazy, like I eat every single thing on the plan and I follow every single day. Like most people use it as a template, and because the price point has dropped so much lower, it's so much easier to do that now, just to invest and use it as just a basic healthy eating template where you know you're getting enough of the nutrients, but like if you don't make everything on it, it's okay, right? It's really just to help keep you on track, especially as the holidays are coming up. It's really, really important to have some kind of tool, you know, whether it's the meal plans or an accountability group or something, which we try to provide all of those with the meal plans. Just something to help keep you on track, and just when things get busy, our subscribers have this to fall back on. So no matter how many parties they went to that weekend, or how crazy the kids' activities are, or whatever's going on this fall, no matter what is going on, they have this tool in the back so that if they haven't even thought about their meal prep or their grocery list or whatever all weekend, on Sunday night they can hit the grocery store with a decent list and a decent setup to get their family through with a healthy eating through the week. And that's really without stress. And that's really, really the point of the meal plan. So if you guys have questions on them, feel free to message me. You can get a free trial. So there's a link in the Instagram bio to do a free trial, or if you're ready to sign up right now, you can just go to whattoeatmealplans.com and click on plans and pricing. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or message me. Otherwise, have a wonderful weekend, guys. All right, thanks so much.